Hi, Nick Collier here, and this is my shop. Come join me. We'll have some fun.
We decided to come over the big lathe with the rest of this project because I can grab this in the cullet chuck, and it'll be safer. And so let's figure out where all of our measurements are. To 744 thousandths. To 744. And that's going to take us to where? To the other end of this. And so we're going to want to cut it off right there. Yep, there it is. Okay, that'll be our cutoff. And it looks like all the measurements are go from this end piece. So I'm thinking might be good just to cut that off. Maybe not all the way, but at least take it back to where it wants to be. I think we can run the cutoff tool in here. Well, not really. Too close. Can we get this tool in there? Yeah, we can. At least get it in there somewhere. Okay. What we've got is a little bit of a chip off of that bit, so let's take it over and polish it up a little bit. Okay, so we've got a sharp edge. We're ready to trim that down. Okay, there's our edge. Our first measurement is 2 inches 2 inches 231. 2 inches 231. Alright, I went in and sharpened my tips just a little bit because they were getting kind of dull. 2 inches, 231. Oh yeah. That should do the trick. This diameter is 316, and right now we're sitting at 510. So I think we got a ways to go. And I have to take small cuts because I'm sitting with about a 1/4 inch right there. And sure as hell that thing will tweak on me or break. Alright, it's the next day and we're back to this. What we have to do now is come in and put and I'll give you a quick review of what we're doing. We've got to put this flange in and make this section here 223 thousandths wide and 265 thousandths in diameter. So, and our cutter is 170 thousandths, so we've got just a little bit of room to play. Okay, so interesting that the thread, the minor diameter of the thread is smaller than the shaft size. So, well, a couple of things can happen. One is I just go in and fill it in with silver solder and recut it. And I'm going to call my customer and see if it's possible that that is a gap, an air gap. It seems like it should be. So and if that's the case, then we basically can just leave it like it is and finish it off. And I'm going to just finish it off anyhow. So .290 is our width. And that's 190. Oh, 223. Okay. So we're at 180. $43 thousandths. So we need to come over 43 thousandths. No problem. And we're right in there. Okay, that takes care of that. Now from there, so we want to come over 220 from this point here. Let's see, 43, let's put that at 0. Take this over. Kiss this edge here. And 220. 0 is there. And we want to come over 395. 395. And that should be where we land. We are at 320. 320, so 265. $55 thousandths. All right. All right, so we've got this one little surface right here that's just a bit funny. We're going to come in and clean that up. Okay, I think we've got all of these measurements right. Now we just need to go in and cut this last little bit off of the end here. And I think what we're gonna do is take it over to the little lathe and drop that end off. Okay, so we'll come in, we'll take it all the way in, and we can kind of get beyond the jaws of the chuck. Whoa, we got to get it in a little faster speed here. There we go. There we go. And my oil spout just showed itself, so we're going to drop a little oil into this compound mechanism. Okay, let's go in and just trim that back side off. I guess we're going to need something to trim with. How about that? Yeah, take it real easy. It's going to give us what we want. Okay, that was a fun little project, and I only had to make it 4 times. Hey, that's why we're doing better. It's just what happens from time to time. You know, there's so many moves in here. You screw one of them up, you got to chuck it and start again. We're going to send this off to the customer, and I got some other projects coming up. One is we're putting this old Clausing lathe on some legs, and we're sliding it in, getting it off of the building so it doesn't make so much noise. And that's been quite a project. This is Nick Collier checking out.